Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today we are trying out the Revlon ColorStay Full Coverage Foundation in this week's Battle of the Foundations. So if you want to see my thoughts on this and see if it is indeed full coverage, just stay tuned. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the bell notifications. You'll be notified when I upload new videos. So, want to see if this is indeed a full cover foundation and what my thoughts are on it? Just keep watching. Alright guys, as the video says, we are going to be trying out the brand new Revlon Super Stay Full Cover Foundation. I found this the other day in, I want to say it was Walgreens, but it could be Fred Meyer. I can't remember. I've been to quite a few places lately. But anyway, I picked this up and wanted to give it a try because I love a full coverage foundation. This says it's supposed to last for a full 24 hours, be lightweight, and not look cakey at all. I picked up the color 2 Sand Matte. It was Sand Beige is the color that I picked up. So I have, as always, gone ahead and prepped my skin. I have on my under eye color correcting, which I had to go in pretty heavy duty today, guys. My mom decided to get up at 5:45 this morning, so I've been that long. Then I've also gone ahead and primed, of course. So let's take a look at this. This is a squeeze tube, and ooh, that is thick. Let's focus here. Oh, do you see how thick that is? So I'm going to do one half of my face with my Sonia Kashuk sponge and the other side with my Morphe Y6. So let's get started. I am in kind of a rush today. Ooh, that's a little dark. That's moussey. It's supposed to be lightweight, huh? Anyway, my granddaughter is graduating from preschool today. So I have her graduation this morning to go to. Little kids are growing up on me awfully fast. I don't think I got enough. Add a little more just to begin with. Because I think this sponge is soaking up a lot of the product. Speaking of sponges, I am still collecting sponges to test out and do kind of a battle of the sponges. So if you have one that you like and suggest that I pick up, please leave me a comment down below. I have quite a few of them, and I'm going to be comparing them to the original Beauty Blender. I want to see if we can find some really good alternatives for everybody. And also, let me know, do you like your sponges to be more on the hard side, on the soft side, or what do you prefer when it comes to your sponges? Okay, this is now one side. Would not call that full coverage at all. See still a lot of my age spots and things like that coming through. And like I said, that sponge seemed to soak up a lot. So let's see how it does with a brush and if we do any better. I do agree that this is a lightweight feeling, even though it's so thick. It does feel very light on the skin. Okay. Brush is definitely giving better coverage on this. Still don't agree that this is a full coverage because I am still seeing an awful lot of my texture come through. So let's go on in with the second coat, see if I can build this up. I'm going to use the brush on both sides and see if that helps at all. I don't think I need any more on my forehead, so I'm just going to go in on the rest of my face. Today's going to be a very good day to test this out because I'm going to be outside. It's supposed to be 80 degrees today. Probably going to sweat a lot because, you know, that's what happens when you get to be our age and hot flashes happen. don't agree that this is a matte finish either. I would say this is more of a satin finish because I'm getting a lot of glow going on here. Hopefully the lights are kind of helping to show that. But boy, that's emphasizing all of my texture, you guys. My pores look horrible. And I went in with a pore filling primer. Let me press this in with the sponge and see if that helps. Perhaps this wasn't a good day to test out this foundation. When I'm going to be going somewhere and having pictures. I haven't even heard anybody talk about this yet. I had a hard time finding it online. I went to Revlon's website, by the way. On their website, it comes in 14 shades, and it doesn't have a price for it. I did find it on Ulta's website, and they only have 8 shades there. But Ulta tends to do that. They don't carry all of the shades. And it was $13.99. By the way, you do get 1 fluid ounce in this, so standard size. Okay, pressing in with the sponge did help it not look so icky. Kind of helped it blend in a little better. So that's the way I would suggest you do it. Apply it with a brush and then go in with a damp beauty blender or sponge and just kind of press that into your skin. So let me go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back and my makeup is all complete. I will leave a list down below, everything that I have on my face in the description box, as well as links as to where you can purchase them if you're interested in anything. So the eye look, I'm loving this. It's a palette I'm trying out. So I'm going to recreate this look on a different day and do a tutorial with it because I think it just turned out really, really pretty. So let's talk about the foundation because that is what we are here about. So again, we have the Revlon ColorStay Full Cover Foundation. They say this has 24-hour wear, which I will not be testing. When they say full coverage, I don't agree with that. I'm still seeing, even with quite a bit of powders and things on my face, I'm seeing a lot of my age spots and things like that that I usually try and cover are still popping through. Got, I don't know if it'll show up on here, but I got a freckle right there. So I'm going to try and get some shots outside today so you can see how this looks in natural lighting, and I'll go ahead and insert those as well. It is lightweight, so I do agree with that. I think the color is just a little bit dark for me. I haven't noticed it's oxidized or anything like that, but we'll see how it holds up to, again, the hot weather today. And I'll let you know down in the description box how everything held up as well. So I like it. I like the feel of it. I like the color of it, kind of. When I'm a little tanner, I think it'll work a little better because I will start putting on a deeper self-tanner here pretty soon. Now that we're moving into the warmer months. Gosh, yesterday it was, well, let's see. The news said it was 93. My phone said it was 88, and Alexa said it was 83. Who am I supposed to believe in all of that? I have no idea what the temperature was yesterday. It was somewhere between 83 and 93. That's all I can say. And we're supposed to be 80 today. So again, this would be a good day to test this out and see how it holds up to this hot, humid weather we're having today. Anyway, that's my final thoughts on it. Again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you take a moment and hit that subscribe button along with that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Thursdays, I always do a battle of the foundation, so I'm always testing out different foundations. I'll leave a card up here to that playlist because I have about 45 in there right now. So if there's any other foundations that you don't see in my playlist and you'd like for me to test it out, please leave a comment down below on that as well. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it thumbs up. That helps me out with YouTube's, and it means that you are enjoying these types of videos as well. So until always, you guys, I'm off to my daughter or granddaughter's graduation. I'll talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye-bye.
He wonders where they made it from.
Really?